So since the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario, I am sure you guys want to find out in which trend duration the price of Bitcoin might be possibly heading. So before I do that, before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder to those individuals who have not claimed your $200 bonus from Bybit. Bybit is giving around free $200 futures airdrop, either Bitcoin USDT position airdrop or Ethereum USDT position airdrop. So if you haven't claimed your bonus, please check the video description. Now, looking at this here in a daily time frame, you can see, guys, for this month of March, just like expected, we have a new ascending VCPR. You know, ascending CPR, ascending VCPR only gets formed when the price is preparing itself for a new uptrend. If you look at this price movement, whenever the price of Bitcoin has formed an ascending CPR, we have started this uptrend. Now, for this month of March, since this is also an ascending CPR, what is this indicating us? This here is indicating us the price for the medium short term might come back to test this trend line first, because it's a VCPR. VCPR tracks the price before starting with another continuation here like this. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Since this is not a narrow CPI, it is indicating us for this month of March, we might see more of a range bound price of Bitcoin testing the support around 56,000 and then slowly continue with this uptrend, because according to this March CPR, our leading indicator, you can see, guys, we have new support to the downside, we have new resistance to the upside. So according to this leading indicator, for this month of March, in between 58,000 to 53,000 is considered as one of the most important line of support. And to the upside, monthly R1 line, monthly R2, monthly R3 line is considered as a line of resistance, which is also going to attract us. So monthly R1 line, 69,000, monthly R2 line around 77,000, and the best case target for this month is around 91,000. That might sound crazy, but this is what our leading indicator is flashing us right now. So let me show you why the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term could show some range bound, even show some corrective move. It's not just only because of this VCPR, but also in a smaller time frame, the price of Bitcoin looks like forming this rising wedge, which is a bearish continuation pattern. So that's why if this here is going to be a continuation to the downside, then according to this bearish continuation pattern, you can see we could be, right, we could be getting attracted around this 58,000, and 58,000 is also the line where our top CPR line is lying around. This top CPR line here, you can see the top CPR line is lying around 58,000. So that's why if the price of Bitcoin shows another corrective move around this top CPR line, it would make a lot of sense. And now, beside this rising wedge, even according to this broadening wedge or mega fund pattern, we can see the price of Bitcoin has not just only tested the 60% of this trend line, but also the 100%. The full price objective target has been reached, and since then, the price of Bitcoin is also showing weakness. If the price of Bitcoin remains in between 61, 62,000, then there is a very high probability of price showing a move like this. Just like I shown in an example, guys. More of a range bound, right? More of a range bound price consolidating around this area for a while, around the CPR line, before starting with this new impulsive move. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that since the price has reached one of the most important trend line, even according to this linear chart, you can see that area was very important line for us, and that's exactly where we got rejected. So even according to this falling wedge, since the 100% price objective has been reached, now there might be some weakness, price of Bitcoin showing some corrective move, finding bottom and starting with an actual impulsive move, because we know failing to continue this uptrend could result in a corrective move. Just like I shown in an example, a retracement in between 0.5, 0.618, right? This is something what happened here. We saw a retracement in between 0.5, 0.618 line, and only after that started with this actual impulsive move. So if the price of Bitcoin is going to fail to find support above 61, 62,000, then we could see some pullback. Price of Bitcoin coming back to test this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line before starting with this new impulsive move, because we know in a bigger picture, things looks extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Rehalving post halving. What has happened here in price action of Bitcoin? In a bigger frame, you can see we had this bull phase, we had a bear phase, and when the price of Bitcoin was heading towards the halving period, you can see we formed this expansion phase. When the price completed this expansion phase, we went through first halving, which resulted in a parabolic move. Same thing happened here. Impulsive move, corrective move. We found ourselves in this expansion phase, but when we went through the second halving, the price of Bitcoin after that went parabolic. Third halving, same thing happened. Now, if we are going to continue this pattern just like from this past price action, then you can see, guys, once we go through the fourth Bitcoin halving, which is next month, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after that to go parabolic, because any sort of a pullback in the medium short term, I mean, even if this scenario plays out, then you can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin parallelly will be following this Livermore pivotal point theory. According to this Livermore pivotal point theory, the price will give us another buying opportunity if we are going to see some weakness, but at the end we are still expecting the price of Bitcoin to break the previous high and also continue with this new uptrend. So any sort of a retracement in a medium short term is going to give us a buying opportunity. So guys, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, we have free $200 futures airdrop from Bybit, either Bitcoin USD position airdrop or Ethereum USD position airdrop. Not just only that, Bybit is also giving around 30,000 in deposit bonus and a chance to take part in this 2.2 million USD prize pool competition. If you haven't claimed your bonus, guys, please check the video description. Now, by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.